Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday, the 15th of October, 2022, and it's the weekly technical analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the third week of October. And let's begin with spot gold. After initially trying to climb up higher after breaking down right at the start of the week from the trend line break at the end of the previous week. Started very weak on a Monday, then it attempted to climb back up and recover, but it's blocked by this previous swing low. And then on Thursday with the US CPI data, which came out higher than expected. And initially, spot gold did dip lower, but then it tried to recover along with the other major currencies as the US dollar also did retrace back lower. But then on Friday, it resumed its bearish move, falling through the 1650 level and closing at the 1644. So definitely a bearish week if we look at the weekly time frame, and that was the initial recovery to try to break back above the weekly 200 EMA. But then failed to do so and continued lower this week. And looks like there could be a bit more bearish momentum for this week, for this coming week. Let's go back to the daily time frame, and we could also update this fib to move to this swing low instead of one further back. So a more recent swing low and the pullback, and the extension matches the 162 fib extension where it dipped lower before climbing back up. And then now it has fallen back to the 138 fib extension again. So that's this 162 is going to be the key support level. And the swing low is going to be the key resistance, or an interim now for now. Interim one. Major one was up here along with the trend line and the 1700 round figure. And below that, another round figure at 1600. So let's see if it's going to continue its bearish momentum to target the 162 fib, or whether it's able to attempt to recover and test the swing low. But it looks like it's going to be stuck in this range, but it's quite a wide range to trade in. Okay, let's go back to the weekly time frame again. Okay, all right, so on a weekly there could be a bit of a continuation move into the 162, and this is going to be key test here. All right, Let's move over to the US dollar, the DXY, and the only key news this week is the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index on Wednesday. So no major economic news for this coming week. Okay, let's switch over to the DXY. Here's the DXY, and on Thursday there was that spike up higher initially with the higher than expected CPI figure. But then after an hour, it switched back and flipped back down lower, retraced down back into the 112 round figure before Friday's recovery back up to where it started from on Thursday. So settling around the 138 pip extension and still stuck in a consolidation zone, I would say. Let's move this resistance out, and major resistance is still at the 114 together with the 162 pip extension. There is a intermediate support at the 112. And the major support is at the round figure of 110. And also actually above that, there's also the swing high area to look out for at the 100 pip. But for now, it's looks like it's consolidating. So between the 112 and probably just around the 113.50 area. Okay, no major news this coming week, so could be further consolidation as we move closer into the end of the month and the new month of November. Okay, let's move back to the other major pairs. Let's move on to the dollar yen. We see a major breakout here, and without any BOJ intervention, it started to move from Wednesday and pushing up higher. That was from the US PPI news, and then followed by the CPI on Thursday, and then it just resumed its really explosive bullish move on the Friday through the 200 pip extension now. So there's a very strong move here, and trying to target the 150 round figure. So that's definitely a clear target for the dollar yen now, and these resistance zone is up here at the 150. We could mark a an interim resistance, but we'll leave it for now. That's let's mark the 150, and this area will be interim support. Major one will be at the 145 now. And another one below that, just above the daily 55 EMA. All right. So this could move early in the week and hit the 150 before pulling back, and that could be a significant retracement after that. But we'll see how far it's going to retrace. It may even attempt to test the round figure again. If it does, then if it does form a double top or lower high, that's even better. Then we could see a strong retracement back lower. But we'll see. We'll see if it's able to get to the 150 round figure. And we'll see if the BOJ will intervene at any time. So this is still a concern. But this move has pulled some of the yen pairs up together as well, but not all. So key one for the dollar yen next week in this breakout higher. So do have a safe week and a good trading week with this pair. And we'll follow up next week on the US dollar index. That's going to also continue in a range or break out higher. Okay, so have a safe week and cheers for now.